Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Katie, and today we are going to be doing my weekly faith planner layout. So I put up a poll this past Wednesday, and the book that won was Floral. So wasn't sure if this one was going to win or not. I honestly thought the adulting book was going to win just because it was a little bit different. But Floral, which I'm really happy about because I love florals so much. So we'll be using that one. And then I'm not sure which faith sticker book I want to use because there's lots of choices. I guess I'll just see what ones I think will work with this. And this one already has washi tape in it, so we're just going to be using this one. And I know I wanted to use colorful, so I think I'm going to go ahead and use, yeah, the pink are pretty too, but I think I'm going to be using the colorful ones since I don't think I've used any of these. So let's go ahead and add some of our washi tape down. So I think I'll use this giant big one. Yes, one of them says spring has sprung. We aren't going to use that one because it's a little past spring now, but it's still summer. Oops, I forgot to take out my pages. These are removable, so they are awesome for if you're a lefty like I am, or it's just easier to decorate that way as well. So there we go. And yes, I'm ripping. I'm not I'm not using scissors, but that's okay. All right, so here we have our washi tape down, and yes, it does look a little not crooked, but ending in weird spots, but we will fill in those spaces with our stickers. So we have a ton of beautiful stickers in here that will go really nicely. I'm definitely going to be using some of these big ones because I love to use the big flowers. So I'm going to use it over here. This is a big sticker. There we go. And let's see, what else do we want to use? We can also use some of these circular ones since these match with the colors and everything. Let's see, let's use a pink one. And see that ripped tear? It's no longer there once we add a little box. I think I put it over the edge, but that's okay. I can always either, it's also crooked. Why are you crooked? I don't care if it's crooked a little bit, but that was pretty crooked. Let's see. Okay, that looks a little better. Not much, but a little bit. Okay, so we'll put a box in there. And then what else do we want? I think I'll put at least one more box. Let's use, I think I'll use the, let's see, maybe the green. Kind of like the green, so I'll put a green box up here. There we go. And then I think I'll use one more on the other side just to kind of balance it. And I'm going to use, let's see, let's use a blue one on the other side. So let me know if there's anything that you would like prayers for today. Just put it in the comments, or you can email me, or just put a private prayer request and God knows what it is, and then I can pray for you. I don't think I have, oh no, I do have a prayer request if you can pray for me. I got new glasses, and I think I have like a little bit of astigmatism, so everything's a little crooked right now and a little fuzzy, so pray that that goes away very quickly because it's not fun. It's not fun. Okay. Let's see what else we want. Ooh, I didn't see these. These are cute. You can use some squares too. There's clear ones. We're not going to use Spring has Sprung because obviously it's not spring anymore. Oh, and there's tags too. Those are cute. I think I'm going to stay away from the tags though. I think I'm just going to go ahead and use maybe some of these. Let's see, what do we want to use? We're using a whole bunch of different colors, so I like just using a whole bunch of different colors in our scheme here. Let's see, I think we'll use this one right in the middle here. And then we'll use, let's see, let's use, what do I want to use? We'll use this one. And I think I might put it this way. Or this way. Yeah, this way. I like stickers like this where you can turn it any direction and it looks okay. All right, so I'll put that one right there. All right. kind of want the bloom sticker. I think that's really pretty. So we'll put the bloom sticker, and maybe I'll layer it over that sticker just a little bit. So we'll use a bloom. And I think that's good. Let's go ahead and add some flowers to the rest of it. Did we want any more of these ones? I like these ones, so let's see. Maybe I'll put some of the angled stickers. I like these ones where like you could, they have like a cute little frame. That's what they are, like a little framed one. It's covering up Monday, but we know it'll be Monday, so. There's birds twittering outside. All right, and then I'll put this one on this side. I'm not going to worry about covering up Sunday either, since we didn't on that side. Oops. Okay, apparently we're going to stick down right there. All right, so there's our 2 stickers on the side. Now let's see, what else do we want? Maybe I'll do, I think I'm going to go ahead and use some of the single flowers now. These ones really quick. One down here and put a couple, kind of like a little cluster, I guess. That would look really nice, I think. Here we go. And then let's see, where else do I want a cluster of flowers? Maybe I'll put some up. Excuse me. Should I put some blue or just, I think I'm going to just stick with the pink and stuff. I think I reused the sticker one time because it's crooked. Unless it was just crooked when I got it, but I don't think it was. There we go. I think I'm going to put it right here. And I think I'm going to add a couple extra stickers to that side. And let's see, maybe we'll do a yellow one. I don't know why I have random stickers stuck in different spots. Here's another one that I must have replaced or something. And decided on something different, I guess. All right, so we'll put one there. Okay, so I think that's good for our flower sticker book. We put a lot of stickers on today, so that one's done. So let me go ahead and decide which faith sticker book we want. Okay, so I think I'll use this one, which is the Paper Studio Agenda 52 Sunday Funday. I think I'm going to be using this one because I really like the color scheme, and I think it's going to match really nicely with this pattern. So let's see. I don't really want rose gold unless I see something that I like. Let's see. Maybe I'll use the Pray For little tab here because I do like to put prayer requests, and I try to remember to put them on my paper here. Let's see, what else do we want here? I saw some washi tape that I kind of liked, but I think we have enough washi tape going on here. All right, let's see, what else do we want? I saw some over here that I liked. Let's see. I think these are actually, ooh, these do match because they have the gold foil. So I really like that they match. I think that's great. Let's see, maybe we'll put a couple arrows. I'm not exactly sure where. Maybe here. Maybe to point out an important verse or something that we need. So I'll put one there, and then I'll put another one on the other side. So we'll do one, maybe, let's see, maybe over here. Okay, so I'll put one there. And then, let's see, I saw some clear stickers in here that I liked too. So we'll use some of those. Here they are. So I like this one. It says, I am fearfully and wonderfully made, Psalm 139:14. So we'll use that one. It's got that really pretty pink that I like. And maybe, they're a little bit big for these circles, but maybe we can go ahead and use them anyways. It's a little hard to see. I can still read it, but it's a little bit hard to see, but it's there. Okay, let's see. Let's also do Glory to God. I like that one. Maybe I'll put this one right here. Oh yeah, that'll be easy to see. So I'll put that one right there. And let's see, what else do I want? Let's go ahead and put Delight in the Lord. I like that one as well. And maybe I'll put that one right in the green because since it's pink, it kind of shows up a little bit better. So we'll put that one there. And let's see. And I think I'm also going to use the We Love Because He First Loved Us sticker. So this one I think I'm actually going to go ahead and put right here, so that way it's in the white spot and I can see it a little bit better. So I'll do it there. Yeah, that one doesn't really show up well. I don't know if I can take it off. Nope, I can't take it off. Okay, never mind, not removing that. Okay. Okay, so I think we might be good to go. Yeah, I don't see any other stickers that I want to use in the sticker book, so I think we're all set. The rest are kind of bullet point stickers and different things, so like you can use just the sticker book and not other sticker books, so I think we're good to go. So this is our page. Let me go ahead and put it back in my planner. Alright, so this is the layout for August 22nd through the 28th. I think it turned out really cute. This is probably going to be the last summery feeling page because it's almost already September. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for helping me pick out my stickers this week. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe down below. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next video.